Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So I have changed my channel's name from Infinity to Physics for All since right now I'm uploading videos which are helpful for everyone, like those who are in class 8, 9, 10 under ICSE and CBSE boards, even those who are preparing for CSIR NET, GATE, BARC, TIFR, JAM, JEST, MSc entrance exam. So I've changed my channel's name from Infinity to Physics for All. Okay. So this video is basically I am solving few questions from December 17 CSI NET exam. Okay. So first question, consider the matrix equation. This is the matrix equation. Condition for existence of a non-trivial solution and the corresponding normalized solution. So there is a lot of difference when we solve a question in our home and one when we solve the question in the examination hall. So there's a lot of difference because there in the examination hall, lot of uh, pressure is there in our head and the total vibe is different. So one thing which is very important is to eliminate the option. You have to think in that way so that you can eliminate the options. So whenever you are seeing this type of question, first you see the matrix equation is given. Okay, so you will get some rough pages. So there you write this equation as in this way, 1 1 1. You have to be very spontaneous, okay, because the time is also less and you have to be just like click must come, or you must just go on, proceed on whatever thing is coming in your head, that I can approach the question in this way or in that way. Okay, so don't waste your time in thinking. Okay, don't waste too much time in thinking. Now you see 1 1 1 1 2 3 2b 2c, and here x y z, and this side 0 0 0. So since they have asked the condition for existence of a non-trivial solution, so if we solve this, let's see what we are getting. We are getting x plus y plus z equals to 0. This is the first equation which we are getting. Second, x plus 2y plus 3z, that is equals to 0. Second, and third we are getting is 2x plus yb plus 2cz equals to 0. So this is the third equation. So we are getting these three equations. Now, since options are given, right? So we will go with the option. You see one thing, this first equation, if we use this one, x plus y plus z, that is 1 minus 2 plus 1, we are getting 0. If we use this, we are getting 1 plus 1 minus 2, that is also equals to 0. 2 minus 1 minus 1, that is also equals to 0, and 1 minus 2 plus 1, that is also equals to 0. So this first equation, we are not gonna use it. Okay, so now we will proceed with our second equation. See the second equation, x1 minus 4 plus 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 minus 4, this is 0. Okay, 1 plus 2 minus 6 is not equals to 0. So eliminate this option. Here 2 minus of 2 minus of 6 is not equals to 0. Eliminate this option. And D, 1 minus 4 plus 3. 1, this is minus 2 and this is 1. Achha, basically these two options are same. So either the answer will be A or D. We have eliminated option B and option C. Now there is a relation between B and C. Okay, so let's see. We got the values of x, y, z is 1, minus 2 and 1. So now we will substitute these values. You see here in this equation number 3, substituting the values of x, y, z as 1, minus 2 and 1. Equation number 3 we can write it as 2 minus b plus 2c equals to 0, which gives us 2, okay, is equals to b minus of 2c. This is one we are getting. Wait, let me check. 2x plus yb plus 2cz. We have substituted the values of x, y and z. X is 1. So, okay, 2. Y is minus of 2. So, this is minus 2b. And 2c, z is 1. Okay. So, here y is equals to 2b minus 2c. We are getting in this way. Right? So, 2 we can cancel out. So, we will get here 1 is equals to b minus c. So, we are getting b is equals to c plus 1. So, our option which is right is option D. So, option D is our right answer. Okay. So, you have to know how to approach a question, because you know what, physics concept, there are many students who knows the concept very well, and they have completed many books and many sums and everything. That is also a very good point that you have to do. But second and the most important thing for a competitive exam, you need to know that how many questions I have to attempt, how much time I have got, how much time I can invest in a single question. Don't give too much time to a single question. If you are seeing that this question, I studied this topic, so I will attempt this question. No, there is no hard and fast rule like that. Okay? You have to play smart. Now, second question. The spin parity assignments for the ground and this is my second question. The spin parity assignments for the ground and first excited states of the isotope 5728 nickel in the single particle cell model are. Regarding this, I have made a theory lecture on nuclear physics. Link of that I am giving in the description box. There I have given in detail, I have studied this topic in detail. So here first you see number of protons is 28. We have to find the odd number, right? So number of neutrons is what? 57 minus 28. That we are getting is 29. Now next step, we have to write the cell model configuration. We know what 1s half. This we have to learn. 1p 3 by 2, 1p half, 1d 5 by 2, 2s half, 1d 3 by 2, 1f half, 2p 3 by 2 and 1f 1f 5 by 2. Okay. Now you see here 1, here maximum number of electron will be 2. Here I am writing with a different ink. Here 2. Why is so bold? Okay, see here 2 maximum number of electron, here 4, here 2, here 6, here 2. I hope you know this. 2s plus 1, 4, 2, and this is 7, and this is sorry, here we will get 4 and here 6. So we want 29. So here we have done a little mistake. This is 7 by 2. Okay. So number of electrons will be 8, maximum number of electrons. So we are getting, again we will calculate 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 16, 20, 28, and the 29th will be in this cell, not in this one. Okay. So here they have asked us that spin parity assignment. Okay. So the last electron will be in this cell, this one, and that is 2p 3 by 2. So spin parity we write how? Spin parity we write in this way, right? So this is p. So L is equals to 1. So minus 1 to the power 1 parity, that is equals to minus 1, right? And spin, this is 3 by 2. So we will write the value of J, that is 3 by 2 minus. So our answer is 3 by 2 minus. Acha, ground and the first excited state. So 3 by 2 minus is in option D. So because rest answers we are not getting it matched. And again, if they have asked for the first excited state, so obviously you can understand the next is 5 by 2, so it will be 5 by 2. And F, S, P, D, F, so L is 0, 1, 2, 3. So again minus 1 whole to the power 3, that is minus 1. So 5 by 2 minus. So if you want to cross check, you can get 5 by 2 minus. You are getting this, so our right option is option D. But this question was made easy because the first option was only right, 3 by 2 minus. Okay. Now question number 39, but this I mean making it question number 3 and this is question number 4. Okay. So question number 3, let's read the question. Relation between the internal energy U, entropy S, temperature T, pressure P, volume V, chemical potential mu and the number of the particles N of a thermodynamic system is du equals to 2ds minus P dV plus mu dN. U is an exact differential implies that. Regarding this also I have made a big theory video and the link I am giving in the description box. These questions I have chosen because the theory portion I have already taught before. That's why. So question number 39 and 40 are little bit related. So first we will do question number 3. Okay. Say this. Du equals to TDS. They have given us du that is equals to TDS minus PdV plus mu dN. And they have asked us the relation between, okay, these are the options. So this first thing is that we have to eliminate options. So I have told how to remember this. I have told what USV, that is upper stage vehicle, that is S and V will be constant. So how to write our equations? Del U del S, when S is there we will get its conjugate variable, that is T, and del U del V we will get its conjugate variable, that is P, and whenever V is there in the denominator we will get a minus sign. Okay. So this how to remember and how to get these equations I have already taught, and I have in the description box the link is shared. Okay. Now let's see the option first. P, this option is eliminated, clearly no. This option is also eliminated because del U del S will be there and del U del V will be there. Here it is del U del T. So these two options are wrong. Now let's check about this options. Now del P del S and del T del V. Now del P del S, that means what? Del of del U del V with a minus sign, del del S, and del T, let's go back again, let's see, del T del V. Okay, so del T del V. Now these are obviously at constant V and N, and this is at constant S and N. So del T del V will be what? Del del V of del U del S. Now you see this. Since this is del, that is partial derivative, we can write this as del square U del S del V, and this is del square U del V del S. So basically we can say del P del S is equals to minus of del T del V, right? There is a minus sign here. So let's see which option is correct. There will be a minus sign, so option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, go slowly, go steady, because here there is a you have got a lot of chance to make the options wrong. Okay, so now next question is number of microstate is given. What they have asked is the relation between pressure P, V and T. Okay, now you see question number 4, microstates omega is equals to, they have given V minus NB whole to the power N, AU by N, 3, N by 2. Okay, so V minus NB whole to the power N, AU by N, 3N by 2. Okay, whenever we are getting this omega, first thing in our mind, what can we get more information? Like microstate is given. We know one formula, S is equals to K ln omega. This must come instantly, right? K is what? Boltzmann constant. S is what? Entropy. Okay, so let's write this k ln omega. Now ln, if we are doing, we are getting n ln v minus nb plus 3n by 2 ln au by n. Now just before only I have said that p is equals to what? Minus del u del v, and t is equals to what? Del u del s. Now we got p is equals to what? Minus del u del, let me see again, del u del s, it was, no, del u del v. Okay, p is equals to minus del u del v. Okay, at constant s and n. So if we derivate this at constant s and n, so here I will get 0, and k is a Boltzmann constant, k, n, this in terms of v. So v minus nb, like ln x, if we derivate, what we get? 1 by x dx. So dv plus 3n by 2 a u n du. So this I am getting. Here there is a 0, so I am taking this one here. K and n I can take constant, so we are getting dv v minus nb plus 3 n 2 au du, that is equals to 0. Obviously this 2 cannot be 0, so this will be 0. So I am writing dv v minus nb, that is equals to minus du 3n 2au. So now du by dv, that is equals to 2au 3n v minus nb, right? 2au 3n v minus nb. And this is equals to p is equals to minus del u del v. So this is minus of p, that is equals to 2au 3n v minus nb. So we are getting this as p. Also we know t is what? Del u del s. Also we know t is equals to del u del s. Now if we again differentiate this equation, so del u del s, that is v is constant, so this term will be 0. This term will be 0. This way will derivate, so we will get here d del s. We will get here del s, and here we will get this first term is 0. Then second term we are getting 3n by 2 3n by 2au 3n by 2au du. Am I missing any term? Let me check again. 3n 2au, this is n square basically. So I am getting this term. So I am getting del s, or let me better write del u by del s, that is equals to t. Del u by del s, we are getting minus, not minus, positive 2au 3n square, right? We are getting this. So from here basically I need to eliminate u, so I am getting 3n square t by 2a. So substituting this value, because in the options nowhere there is u, right? Let me check. There is nowhere u. So we substitute this value here. What we will get here? 2a p is equals to, we got p is equals to minus of 2au 3n v minus nb, 3n v minus nb, and the value of u we got here. So we got minus of 2a 3n square t 2a, here 3 is there, n is also there, v minus nb. This 2a will cancel out, this 3 and this n, 1 n will cancel out. So we are getting p is equals to minus of nt v minus nb. So we are getting p v minus nb is equals to nt. There is some, because k will be coming, so let's see, let's check here. Yes, here there was a term k. So here there will be a term k, this k will come here it will come here. Okay, so here it will come with 3n. Okay, so sorry, here no, you will get it here. Okay, and so you will get it here. So we are getting P V minus NB is equals to NKT. Okay. Yes, there was one mistake. Here you see del U del V, there is a minus sign. I am writing a different color. There is a minus sign, and there was also a minus sign. So this both will cancel out. So here there will be no minus sign. Here there will be no minus sign. Here no minus sign, and this is our final answer. Okay. So let's see which answer is matching. Option D. Option D is matching. Okay. So I hope you understood. You learned today a lot of things, and you understood how to approach a question, how to solve a question, which formula to be used. So thank you so much. Keep studying. And next, this is the part 1 of December 2017 solution. Part 2 will come soon. So till then, keep studying and also join my Telegram channel. And if you have any problem, please let me know. Share among your friends, and please like and subscribe my channel.